at the lake today. Jasmine and Benji and Chansey. He doesn't really want to fish, so we took my brother and sister out. See if we can catch any fish today out here in this beautiful lake. One on there? You don't have one on? Well, you gotta reel it in. Reel it in. Reel it in. Benji, reel yours in, Benji. See? There it is. Benji, reel yours in. No, we don't need it. We gotta reel it. Okay. Boom, there we go. You got a fish, Jasmine?
Yeah, I got one.
Hey! Alright, this one's gonna go in the cooler. We're gonna eat it. She's at it again. She got another one. Yes. Oh. Espérate. Look at that. Hey! Alright, so we're gonna throw in the cooler. Jasmine, how did it feel to catch some fish? I guess you didn't want to answer that question. Alright guys, so that was it for fishing today with Benji, Jasmine, and Chance. So we caught some quite a bit of fish, but this thing is huge. I just wish we could have videotaped this, but it's huge.
Oh my goodness. That's my
Yeah. Alright guys, so like always, have a good day, good night, or good afternoon, wherever you guys are at. And we'll see you guys next time. Hopefully I can get the video next time.